Hi friends, in continuation with my last two videos regarding immunity booster, I would like to go further step for immunity, that is hygiene, especially respiratory hygiene. We all have in India, especially we all have heard about soap nut. These are berries, seeds, and that is being used from a very long time for cleansing hair, body, and clothes, and so many things. It has saponins, and this Rita or soap nut is full of saponin. It's a natural soap. So, and its antiseptic properties are like this, that when any virus come into contact, how do virus affect or invade our body? It invades basically through cell membrane. It releases proteolytic enzymes, so they get invasion through cell membrane. They break the protein of cell membrane and they invade through that, and finally cytoplasma is affected. So uh, what what should be done to make our cell membrane strong enough not to be affected by this attack? You can use soap berries, soap nuts, or Rita. In India, it is very much used for washing our hairs, clothes, and bathing, and many more cleansing purposes like jewelry or precious things. So, soap nut is very easily available in the market, in Indian market, and it has the property that restricts the secretion of proteolytic enzymes by the virus. So it is very good for sanitization or hygiene, and above all, these properties are not harmful. These properties are not harmful for human if it goes inside. If steam of these herbs go inside us, they make a protective layer, so virus or any other microorganism cannot enter into the body. So I will tell you more about immunity and how can you use this soap nut so to get the maximum benefit. Thank you.